Imam Ali al-Naqi lived under constant surveillance. The Abbasid ruler Muttawakil feared his knowledge and tried to trap him through public debate.
O Ali ibn Muhammad, tell us, where is Allah?
Allah is not confined to a place. He created place and existed when there was nowhere.
Then how do you say He is above the throne?
He is above the throne in authority, not by sitting or movement. Whoever limits Allah has not known Him.
With a few sentences, the Imam shattered false theology without raising his voice, without fear of power. The trap failed. Knowledge stood taller than kingship. Imam Ali al-Naqi taught the Ummah a timeless lesson. True faith is not built on arguments alone, but on clarity, humility, and knowing Allah as He truly is. When truth speaks calmly, falsehood has nothing left to say.